be scared, it's just Shark.
Hello and welcome to our podcast on the mediums and unique techniques used by new media artists. Today we'll be exploring the different ways that artists are using technology to create innovative and engaging works of art. So let's dive in. One of the most common mediums used by new media artists is video. Video art has been around since the 1960s, but with advancements in technology, artists are now able to create high-quality video works that can be displayed on large screens or projected onto walls. Video art can be used to create narrative pieces or abstract works, and often incorporates sound and music to create a more immersive experience for viewers. Another popular medium used by new media artists is digital photography. With digital cameras becoming more affordable and accessible, artists are now able to capture high-resolution images that can be manipulated in various ways. Artists can use photo editing software to add filters or manipulate the colors and lighting to create unique and visually stunning images. 3D printing is another medium that has been embraced by new media artists. 3D printing allows artists to create physical objects from digital files, which can be used to create sculptures, installations, and even clothing. Artists can design their objects using 3D modeling software and then print them out using a variety of materials, including plastic, metal, and even food. Augmented reality and virtual reality are two relatively new mediums that are gaining popularity in the world of new media art. Augmented reality uses technology to overlay digital content onto the real world, while virtual reality creates a completely immersive digital environment for users to explore. Artists are using these mediums to create interactive installations and experiences that allow viewers to engage with the art in new and exciting ways. Finally, many new media artists are using programming and coding to create works of art that are constantly changing and evolving. This type of art, known as generative art, uses algorithms to generate patterns and shapes that are unique each time they are viewed. Artists can use a variety of programming languages to create these works, including processing, Python, and JavaScript. In conclusion, the mediums and techniques used by new media artists are diverse and constantly evolving. From video and photography to 3D printing and programming, artists are using technology in new and innovative ways to create engaging and thought-provoking works of art. We can't wait to see what new mediums and techniques will emerge in the future.